Buffalo Turbine has been producing industry-proven products since 1945. Clear out chicken feeders with ease. Our PTO and hydraulic-powered blowers are the perfect tools for any poultry farmer. Hard-to-reach spots are no problem at all. Capitalize on our machine's heavy-duty steel construction, 360-degree nozzle control, and 10-year manufacturer's warranty. Less labor, less time, less effort. Cleaning jobs that would normally take 2 or 3 days are reduced to 3 or 4 hours. Use Buffalo Turbine blowers, the new standard in broodhouse cleaning. Visit buffaloturbine.com for more information.